This is the big maintenance van, and it's white and it's very, very dirty. So here's David Culbertson getting it all clean. There's Earl telling them it's not clean. Got Tim Thurman. Here's Joe.
Earl's got pretty exacting standards, so I had to go back.
Up, 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 up. So that was Mr. Music, Tim Kapishke. And I got a little wet. Oh. It's looking white. Oh, now we're going up on the top. So again, here's our crowd. And Amarillo, in case you didn't hear, Logan Wheeler was the winner of the top spot that you all got. And he's out here, but we're kind of holding him till last because they're going to have to wax and vacuum. So again, we appreciate you guys so much. Edie Harvey, I hope that I'll send this to you guys and you can share it with all of the employees. And I may even put these out on YouTube, and I'll send everybody the link so they can see kind of what's going on. Here's the car wash. This is so exciting. First ever CEO President Car Wash. They recruited officers, so we have lots of CSI officers out here also. So generous, very generous company. Enjoy having fun. This is going to be an annual thing. We did tell them we would hopefully put it in the spring and the summer, so they won't have to be a little bit cool. So then we have Shammy drying off. So I love it. Gotta get out of the line of fire here. Mr. Kopicki is dangerous with the hose. He knows I'm walking back further to get away from the water. I think I've got sprayed about 3 times.
He didn't get out of the line.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. I can see.
I'm just videoing a little for Amarillo. And there's the sun. Alright, let's see, we've got Mike Stevens in the wings. And I may need to find out who else.